as per definition, we completed up to here. And now we are trying to understand programming language. A programming language is a special language that allows humans to give instructions to a computer in a way the computer can understand and execute or run the code. Okay, we got some clarification here. A programming language is a special language that allows humans to give instructions to a computer in a way the computer can understand and execute or run the code. So already I wrote some program earlier. Let's say this particular program. As a human, these 3 lines are what? Instructions that I gave to a computer. Is it clear? Right? So then computer can understand this and finally execute or run means finally the output is 50. That's it. Okay. Here, why do we need it? Already we know these points, whatever I'm going to write. Computers only understand binary. So that means zeros and ones. Computers only understand binary. Already we know. Low level language, binary language, nothing but electrical signals. 0 means off, 1 means on. All we discussed in previous classes. So writing instructions directly in zeros and ones is almost impossible for humans. Okay, it's impossible. Already we know. For example, so already we know. So let's say I want to type hello world. In English language, simply I can type like this. But my computers are going to understand always binary. Let's say if I want to type hello world, H means this one. E means this one. It is impossible as a human to write like this. Is it clear, right? So I think you got some clarification here. So writing instructions directly in zeros and one is almost impossible for humans. A programming language helps us write instructions in simple words, symbols. So symbols means plus symbol, minus symbol, square brackets, or parentheses, or whatever. So these are all some symbols. And also we need to follow some syntaxes, nothing but rules. However, in English language, we are having some grammar, right? Same like that here also, some syntaxes, some rules we need to follow. Same like in Python, if you write like this, it's an error. Characters always or words always inside the quotation. It's a rule. Okay, let's say x equal to 5. So what is the meaning of this one? We store or assign 5 in x variable. Okay, suppose, so if you write like this, 5 equal to x. So this is not a rule. We can call it as simply we did not follow a rule. Okay, so this is accepted, not this one. Is it clear, right? Okay, and then translates them into binary for the computer. So that means these programming languages helps us instructions. That means whatever the code that we are going to write, nothing but we used to call it as instructions here. Okay, so those instructions, these programming languages are going to convert or translates into zeros, ones, whatever, nothing but binary. Okay, suppose this Python language is not available, then no use. Okay, who will convert in between human as well as computer hardware? Is it clear, right? So Python is going to take care of that responsibility, converting from English to binary, nothing but zeros and ones. Any doubts?
So last one, x is equal to 5. 5 is equal to x. Wrong. That means
So actually here the meaning is we stored 5 in which variable? X variable, right? The meaning of this one is what? If you understand, okay. If you don't understand, leave it. Here the meaning is 5 value assigned, nothing but what? Stored in which variable? X variable. Okay. Suppose if you write like this, so this is not the way to represent. So that means this is not a syntax. Is it clear, right?
okay, sir.
So that is the meaning. So what I am trying to tell here is we need to follow some rules. That's it. For example, let's say this hello is there. We need to write in quotations. Okay, we did not started any Python. So just I am trying to write here. If you write like this or like this, it is okay. Suppose without quotations, if you write, so this is the wrong syntax. Is it clear, right? So what I'm trying to tell
Okay, sir.
here is
Understand.
some rules were there. Those rules we need to follow. That's it. Okay, fine. So I think you all people got the clarification that these programming languages are going to convert English language to binary. So next examples. C, C++, Java, Python. Okay, these are all examples relevant to programming languages.